Start with a motif, a short melodic phrase like I've done here. You can basically hum the melody. Pam 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 pam. Right click and open it up in Edison. Go to Tools, under Analysis, Convert to Score and Dump to Piano Roll. Now we have this crappy melody. What we can do here is that we select a scale and make the melody belong to that scale. Let's do C major. Now here's our vocal, pam 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 pam, and we have our melody. From here we can copy it to the next half. What we can do is a call and respond melody. Think of nursery rhymes like, that's the call, and then the response will be. This is what makes the rhyme memorable. So you can start with a simple response melody like this. Copy it to the next half and then add variation. From here we can build chords to cushion the melody. I'd recommend you test out bass note first and see which one goes with the melody. And from here we build chords on it. And done. Next up, we'll build our melody from a chord progression. Let's start with a simple chord progression. This is the 5-4-1 note of the C major scale. We turn them into chords. There are different ways you can play your chords. We play them in a rhythm like this. At the close of the bar, we add some variation. Now we can make the progression full by bringing down the root note down an octave. Here's a simple ballad. From here, we can add a percussive pattern to keep the listener nodding their head to. We can turn them into chords. Now when you replace this piano instrument with different instruments, this is what it will sound like. So this preset for the top line. And we layer with this. And we can use an atmospheric texture for the mid-range. A one shot as the bass, and then a mallet for the percussive pattern. Add a basic percussion loop, and done. Now here we have our chill music to build on. Alright, let's do another one. Let's build another melody from a chord progression. Let's start with this simple chord progression. To make it better, we can invert notes to glue the progression together. Now we can add passing notes for smooth transition to other chords. Just a single note is okay. From here, let's add a top line melody. We'll be using the chord notes. So with the C major chord, the chord notes are C, E, and G. We'll be basically using this note to create the top line melody, as these notes sound glued together to the progression. Now when this is done, we can go out of the chord notes and add notes which does not belong to the chord, as this adds scala which will add some tension to the melody. From here we can go an octave higher to add a simple repetitive pattern. And done. Alright, for the last one for this part, you can start with a simple progression. Instead of beginning on the strong beat, we emphasize on the weak beat. With same chord progression, we play it in a different rhythm to have this call and respond pattern. From here we can add a bouncy bass note. Here we have a nice bounce. If we add other element to it, boom. Last but not the least, building a melody using a sample. Alright, there are different ways to do it, so let's use a simple vocal sample from Arcade. Just a single note to play, and then I'll change it to make our progression. We basically turn them into chords, and we can do Alt plus U to chop them up, and we mess around with the velocities. Now we use the percussive approach for this mallet pattern, like how we'll be using a kick and snare. The snare comes on every second and fourth beat, and then you can go crazy with the kick or space them out. And done. Like always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.